Hello everyone and welcome to this week's rendition of PressThis Hands-On. I'm your host Dan, and PressThis Hands-On is going to take you through a look at how to implement a plugin that's very, very helpful to solve a commonly asked problem on WordPress websites. This episode is brought to you by slocumthemes.com. Try out our wonderful new Modern Business Pro theme, an elegant Modern Business theme with great hero spaces and call to actions, as well as our brand new Journal Pro theme for you bloggers out there. On any of these themes, or any theme you might be using on your WordPress install, you're always asking about comments. We get a lot of questions in about how to remove or disable comments on your WordPress website. Because when you install a WordPress website, you go to a page, you go to a post, you even click on an image, and you're going to see that comment section. And a lot of people don't want comments, or they just think it looks plain ugly on their website. Well, there's a couple different ways you can get away with this. The way we're going to talk about primarily today is the easier way, which is plugins. There's a great plugin called Disable Comments. You can just search for it on Google. It's right in the WordPress.org repository because it is a free plugin. And what's great about this plugin is it's very, very easy to use. It is updated consistently. The last update was about a month ago or so. It's got a ton of followers, likes, and it has a really great rating on the WordPress repository as well. So don't be afraid to use it. It is that simple. What you're going to do is you're going to download the plugin. And just like any other plugin, you're going to go to your plugin section, you're going to add the new plugin, and you can upload the zip file that you've downloaded from the WordPress repository. Once you've done that, you're actually going to navigate, you can either navigate inside the plugin section into the settings, or you can go to Settings, Disable Comments, and view the options that you have. There aren't really a lot of options here because there really isn't a lot to think about here. What this plugin will not allow you to do out of the box is disable comments on specific posts, but what it will allow you to do is disable comments on larger sections of the website. So as I just mentioned, we have your media files, which would be like an image or a video, or a song. We have your posts themselves, so as you create blog posts, and then of course we also have your pages. So if you want people to be able to respond to you on your blog posts, which might have news that people can respond to you for, that's great. But on your pages, you can disable those comments. Alternatively, you can just hit the big checkbox there and just disable comments everywhere throughout the site. You can even set it so that at the bottom so that you can disable comments, and then once you've re-enabled them, it continues to disable the original comments. This will make permanent changes to your database, so it's not super recommended, but it is something you can do. Additionally, another thing I do want to bring to light is that with any of these themes, our themes included, there are potential ways with CSS to code out in your child theme different specific pieces of the comment system. So if you don't like all the different text and things that it says about comments, you can actually take out certain pieces of the comment system or hide it altogether using CSS as well. It's just easier to use this plugin in most intents and purposes. So we wanted to bring that up a little bit more to the forefront here in this conversation today. Of course, this plugin works with our great themes as well, so check them out, slocumthemes.com. Check out Modern Business, Journal, and whatever other new themes we have coming out for you along the way. We're constantly putting out new stuff, so please subscribe to us if you find this stuff valuable. And we have lots of these PressThis videos. God, we're probably up to about episode 70 or 80 at this point, so please click over there on the big old red subscribe button up there and subscribe to our web series so that you can see all these updates as they come out. Thank you so much for watching.